In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the camera not working on Windows 11. If you're facing difficulties with your camera, don't worry because you're in the right place. Let's dive into some simple yet effective methods to get your camera operational. First, let's start by testing the camera app. To do this, press the Windows key and the S key simultaneously. This shortcut opens the search bar on your PC. Then type camera into the search field and select the camera app from the list of results. Once the application is open, check if the camera functions correctly within this app. If the camera operates here but not in another application, the issue likely lies with that other app's settings rather than your camera or Windows 11 itself. Now let's move on to checking and adjusting your camera privacy settings. This is an essential step as Windows 11 has robust privacy features, which might prevent your camera from operating in certain apps. Start by clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Privacy and Security section, and then find and click on Camera. You'll see several options here. It's crucial to ensure that the camera access option is turned on. This setting allows Windows and apps to use your camera. Look for the setting labeled Let Apps Access Your Camera, and make sure that it too is switched on. This ensures that any app you've granted permission can access your camera. Scroll through the list of apps shown below these toggles, and confirm that the application you're trying to use has permission to access your camera. Often, by simply ensuring these settings are configured correctly, you can resolve any issues with your camera not working on Windows 11. If you've gone through these steps and your camera is still not working, the issue might be more specific or relate to software updates or driver issues, which we'll explore in future videos. But for most users, ensuring that these basic settings are correct should resolve the problem. When encountering any technical difficulties, patience and a step-by-step approach can often turn a potentially frustrating situation into an easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you get your camera working again on Windows 11. If you found this helpful, please make sure to leave a comment and let us know if these steps solved your issue or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover in future tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tech tips and guides.